safe words.
No safe words? What do you mean no safe words? What precisely do you think we're going to be doing with no safe words?
You want me to stop, just say so. No matter when. No matter what I'm doing.
Okay, so asking you to stop is the safe word. Or do you mean that you'll stop if I refuse you in any way? Because this is going to get really awkward if you stop to reconfirm consent every time I say no, beg, scream, whatever. Wait, are you just going to stop if I fight back at all? How exactly are you picturing this going? Because I like vanilla too, and I'm down for that, but your vibe and what you're describing do not line up. And even if it is just stop as the safe word, then that's not no safe words. It's definitely better than no safe words, but you do realize that the point of a safe word is so that you can tell someone to stop, and they'll know you don't actually want them to stop. How do you think consensual non-consent work? Actually, we need to postpone this whole thing for at least a half hour. We need to sit down and negotiate the scene. I don't know why you thought it was okay to just jump right into this without a pre-existing knowledge of each other's aftercare needs, hard limits, and expectations. Don't worry, be a good boy and we can make this quick.
Kinky.